Alright guys, so last minute decided right out the shower that we wanted to go to my mom's house. Quick visit. I'm not staying over. I could never fall asleep at my mom's house, but I got some groceries for her. I got everything here to make frijoles de Belize, black beans that she loves. So I got all the spices here. I got the onion, tomato, and the green bell pepper. I got my beans and cilantro over here. Got my sazon. And I'm gonna take this because my mom doesn't really cook much anymore, so she doesn't have like bigger pots. And then over here, I'm taking her some soup, some chicken. She has her own, some hibiscus, some chicken. I said that already. Some other stuff. And I made a mess. So let's put all this stuff away. This is my favorite granola from Target. My sugar from Target, my oatmeal from Target, my saltines from Target, my pasta from Target. Let's throw the pecans up here. And a mango, just so I don't leave a mess. And I'll get to it when we come back. I think that's it. I usually prepare like groceries for her, you know, if like I have a plan, and this time I didn't because it was not her plan to, but I might go visit her like in 2 more weeks, so maybe at that time I can take her other groceries that she may need. I usually take her groceries sometimes, but again, I like prepare all that stuff, so let's get going. Close it, okay?
You want anything from your car?
Huh?
You want anything from your car?
No.
Oh.
It's not even raining, guys. I don't like looking because not looking at my steps because I'm not trying to fall. Henry has fallen like twice on those stairs. What, mine or yours?
Mine. Oh.
So what are you doing?
Go in the car.
I thought you were changing them.
Which one?
And your puppies. I thought Henry was changing the cars. Ay, ay. Sí. Allá, ¿de qué lado, mami? ¿Eh? Hold on. Oh my God. Alright guys, we're almost there. My chauffeur did very, very good today. Valentina is like anxious to arrive. She had just taken a shower too. We all had just taken a shower. We're like, let's go to my mom. So it is sprinkling a little. The clouds are very, very intense. And there was no rain until this point. So kind of glad.
No.
Monday? No, I don't think so. Maybe just sprinkling. And yeah, we're almost there. I wanted to get some chicken and rice at Trader Joe's so that she can try it. Because now that she's older, it's harder. Not harder, but it's really more expensive. And not too cost effective for her to like buy all the ingredients. So I was like, you know what, next time I go to my mom's, I'm gonna take her some orange chicken, mandarin chicken, and some of their vegetable fried rice. That's my favorite. It's really good. It doesn't even taste, to me, in my opinion, it's really good. But the closest Trader Joe's to my mom's is like maybe like 12 miles. So not an option, and since it was a random decision, I didn't even think of like hurry up and run at Trader Joe's, go get it and come back, because I had to pack the stuff that I packed for her. So I, believe it or not, I want pollo loco again. I like, I don't want a burger. I don't want a burger. I don't want fries. I don't want that. I'm done with that stuff. And then the thing is, my mom is a little sensitive to her stomach, so I don't want to buy something that I don't know. You know, that's why I'd rather chicken, because chicken is just the rice. The chicken is on the grill, and yeah.
So what? Where are you going? Before we get there.
I don't know. I don't know. Si la lluvia no va a ti, tú ve a la lluvia. If the rain don't come to you, you gotta go to the rain. Sorry guys. It's raining here. It is raining. It's raining. Not hard. Not hard. Holy shit. It's a little hard. You didn't get the bag?
Ow!
I know, it's so cool. Mira, a ver si nos abre el señor. Ay, se va a hacer dormido. Let's call her. She doesn't know we're here, guys.
Bueno.
A la puerta.
Okay.
I know. Just a little. Excited to see your grandma?
Yeah. I like the drawing.
I should have said, can you open the door? Open the door.
Oh,
Open the door.
now how do you say the whole thing?
Can you open the door?
Your face.
You bring your phone up?
Yeah. She left hers? Oh, you can use mine. I have to make the beans so they can cook for later. Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores.
Open it. Okay. Open it.
Ding, ding, ding.
Just open it. Open it, mommy.
Ay, mamacita linda. Ay, chiquita.
Buenas tardes, ¿está lloviendo?
Poquito.
Yeah, poco.
I brought the stuff to make the Belizean beans for my mom because the last time I brought them to her already cooked and some tostadas, and she absolutely loved them. While the beans finish cooking, I'm going to be cleaning her dishes and anything that may need to be cleaned. Right now, I'm cleaning these wooden spoons. I absolutely love them. And then I'm going to be cleaning her sink. My mom is of age now, so whenever I come visit her, I try to do hard to do things for her, that I find and I know that she has a hard time doing. For example, this is something so simple and easy for me, but for her, it's really challenging with her arthritis aftermath. The pains are terrible. So I just try to do as best as I can, to help her a little and minimize her pains and at least her worry of, I have to wash dishes. And that's what we're doing. Meanwhile, our frijolitos finish cooking. Now that I'm older, it's getting harder when I have to leave my mom's house because I see her physically, deteriorating. She's getting slower, she's getting older, and she's okay. She's doing good, but, it's just in the back of my head that someday these visits are not going to be a thing anymore. And it breaks my heart because I want my daughter to know and to have a bond with her grandma, but I'm just doing as much as I can because she does live far from me. It's hard to come as often as I wish I could, but we're doing the best we can.
Here where I'm at.
Mi papá a veces compraba porque a él le gustaba, especialmente se ponía a cocerlos y no los traía así como tú trajiste jitomate y cebolla, chile serrano. Y decía, él siempre platicaba historias, decía, en Veracruz es lo que come la gente puro frijol negro.
Alright guys, my mom caught me recording. And she said, don't be recording me because I don't want nobody to see me. So now we're going home. And we got little Cheech over here.
No, it's
Like Cheech and Chong. Hey. Can't wait to come in the summer so I can go swimming. So yeah, she caught me recording and she's like, don't be recording me. And I'm like, I'm not recording you. I just have the screen on. She doesn't like to be recorded. She doesn't know that I vlog. My mom doesn't know that I vlog. 90% of my family does not know that I vlog. Only my nieces and one of my sister. I think one of my sister only. Just, I don't know if my other sisters do, but. Somebody moving. So, yeah. Let's get going. So Henry forgot his umbrella. Henry forgot his umbrella, so we're just waiting for him because he went back to my mom's house to go get it. You need internet? Okay, right now. 1 segundo. ¿Ya? ¿Ya te agarró? Okay. Location. while we wait for your papa. For your papa. Oh, ahí viene papá. Ahí viene papá, ahí viene papá. Ahí viene papá. Mira, ya se sabe de cada vez. Alright. Time to go. Huh? Put your... Damn, Henry. Look at that. Henry looks like he's about to parachute. He's gonna parachute himself. Oh, it's just lightly drizzling. Cuidado, mommy. It's like they want to run, but they can't run. Snail, ay. Dale, mami, súbete. Snail, snail. Snail time.
Snail.
Let's put our friends on the dashboard.
Mommy, can I get your again?
Monday?
Can I get your
It turned off again?
Yeah.
Mm.
So,
Here. Okay. Where's my phone? Hi. Okay.
I'll pass by, but it's raining. Just to go look. Oh, wait, look.
there.
¿Se agarró? Okay.
What?
Where's the charger?
Oh, there's some more. Valentina, it's in your little bag. Where's your little pink bag?
Oh, you said nothing.
Give me it.
Alright, well,
Thank you.
it's raining here. Remember these guys? Cornets? When I was little, like Valentina's age, I used to eat cornets with chamoy.
Like that.
The little chamoy that was in a bag that was kind of thick. And I would eat them like that.
Thank you. Shit, where's it?
Where's the hole?
Where's the thing? The plug.
Oh. ¿Lo picaron? Yeah, so. My childhood memories.
Hey, use the white one.
Why, get it shorter?
Huh?
Get it shorter?
Yeah.
It's raining.
Presenta, mami.
Are your lights on?
That and everybody knew my car.
Everybody?
Oh no, everywhere.
Alright guys, we just got here to Ontario Mills. We have not been here in a very long time. This was my mall, mommy. Oh man. So this place, I'm sure you guys are familiarized. It's Ontario Mills. And Henry keeps teasing me about who used to bring me here. He insists that my boyfriend brought me here. But no, in reality I used to come here with my mom when she had her doctor's appointment, which was like down the street. Then we would make it here, walk around, and then go home. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going?
Excuse me.
Sorry, I didn't see you. I'm like, where are you going? Because you se llaman para el cine. The movie theater's in there, mommy. Henry wants to go in to the Nike store. Oh, oh, that's cool. I don't know. Okay. Well, they're going into the Nike store. I'm gonna walk to Burlington. This is the food court. This is Cinnabon. Ooh, Cinnabon, La Vaca Brazilian Grill. They have Panda. They have Chipotle. This is the seating that they have. I'm sure a lot of you may be familiarized, a lot of you maybe not. Burning, huh? Oh, it's Nashville hot chicken. Oh, that looks good. Cajun grill. They have Charlie's. Oh my god, they have Burger King. This is all the seating they have, guys. All of this. The last time I was here was a very, very, very long time ago. Hot dog on a stick. Wow. Opening Sukihana. Ooh, that looks good. Columbia. They got Foot Locker over there. I'm going to Burlington. That looks good. Oh, it's salad. This is... Wait, is this Burlington? No. Oh, Doc Martens. Oh, I like these. No way, they have a Five Below inside the mall. That's crazy. I wonder if they have the Hello Kitty Crocs. See the Hello Kitty ones. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, they're heavy. ¿Cuánto cuestan estos? Zapatotes. Oh, no dice. Those are cute. You guys, they have the Hello Kitty Crocs. I have to send my niece a picture. She is going to be like, oh my god. Well, your girl didn't make it halfway to Burlington, and I ended up in the Crocs store. So we'll do this on another day, or we'll come and we'll shop.
Huh?
We'll come and we'll shop in the Nike store for Henry. We'll come and we'll look for Henry. Brazilian girl. That looks good.
I like that.
So we're gonna go ahead and go. We're gonna leave. The last time I was here was many, many years ago. Under Armour. Valentina says, Mommy, they have cool cars here. Not like our mall. Oh my God. Alright guys, well, we are back in town. And it's not even raining here. Over at my mom's it was raining when we left. No? And it was drizzling when we got off at the mall, but then when we got out it was done. So it's 9:15 and
I'm still thirsty.
I feel really guilty for my Crocs purchase.
Jesus Christ.
You look, like I wouldn't mind, right? Like I don't mind buying them. My plan, because I saw that it said buy one get one half off. So I was like, okay, I'll get 2 pairs.
Can I get ranch and ketchup?
And then I see the tag of the Hello Kitty, and they're like, I don't know, whatever, like $70. And I'm like, okay, so 70. Did you get hot sauce?
Oh, I'm sorry. Can I get some hot sauce? Just like one. That's fine. That's fine. Thank you.
So
yeah, thank you.
I'm like, okay, cool. So I'm like trying to look like, all right, if I could get one buy one get one half off. That means if it's $60, it'll be $30, and for $100, I would get 2 pairs. That was the only way I was able to. I was willing to buy Crocs. And so I get to the line, and I'm like, how much are they? Are they, are they buy one get one half off? Which meant, for sure, it did mean like you're gonna buy the Hello Kitties full price, and then you're gonna get, the other ones that were $60 half off, which would be $30. Great deal if that would have been the case, but it wasn't. So then she's like, the guy said something about they're on sale or something, and I'm like, okay, are these on sale and are those on sale? And she was like, no. And I'm like, it says buy one get one half off. Some of them were 25%, and I was just like, oh my God. And I felt so bad to be like, you know what, no. So I was like, I'll just buy them, and I'll tell Henry, like, you go return them, I don't want to. So I was just like, okay, let me just buy them. If I feel that I don't want them, I'll just return them. So that's what happened. There was no sale on them unless you bought 2, but it wasn't going to be half off. It was only going to be like 25% off, which you guys know 25% off is nothing for $60 shoes. That's like $8. That's how I was like, you know what, forget it. So I think my sister said that if I end up not wanting them, that she'll take them. So I was like, all right, I'll just give them to her, because another thing was so confusing, the sizing. I saw a different pair that I liked, like this. It's a slip-on sandal. I like the shape of it, even though it looks like a little bulky. They're very comfortable, but again, they were not on sale. So I was like, oh my God. And we were in a rush again, so I was like, whatever.
You were?
Well, yeah, you were just standing there.
Well, I mean, what did you want me to do?
You were just standing there making faces.
Oh, no.
It looked like you were hot. It looked like you were bothered.
It was hot. It was hot in there.
So, okay, but
I've
see, there
never
you
been
go. So that's what made me feel like, oh no, she wants to buy something. But it was just that, like, I felt like pressured. Not because, excuse me?
When have I said no to you?
When have you said no to me?
Yes. Well, see, it's taking you that long.
When have you said no to me?
There you go.
I told you to buy me a house. And you said no. The light. Sir, how come nobody's honking at you? I told you to buy me a house and you said no. I told you to move me to a second bedroom and you said no. Hello? So now you don't want to talk, you guys. Excuse me? What are you gonna say? Say something. Come on, the people want to hear you opinionate. What? Good night? What do you mean? You guys, he doesn't want to talk to me. This is gonna be the start of a fight. The audience is waiting for an answer. Excuse me. We want to see you. We want to see your expressions. Tacos de barbacoa. Tacos de puertorriqueña. Those who know. You have never said no to me? No?
Not that I can think of.
I asked you to buy me a pilot.
Come on now. We're talking about
You're saying no. You're saying, when have I told you no? Well, now you don't like it, guys. I think he's mad at me. Do you want to go sleep at Bacon's house? Because I'm not sleeping in the car.
in the car.
Henry and Bacon always say, I have to sleep in the car. Bacon, it's your turn to sleep in the car. If you're watching this, I'm going to tell Amy that you've been mean to me and you need to sleep in the car. Okay? Because she's my best friend and she's going to send you to the car. We're waiting for an answer. You guys, he said, I have never told you no. So that's what I said. Yes, I know. It's a whole different situation. Cost of living, cars, vehicles. But he just said, I've never said no. That's why I was like, yes, you have. Yes, you have. I'm not gonna lie. My car, I love my car. And it's something that I didn't think before. And like, even though I think about it, I love my car. I would not, like, I know I would have a very hard time letting it go. Even if it was for something. Even if it was for something that I want. Like if Henry told me, Isabel, you can have the car that you want, and I chose a different car, I would have a hard time letting go of my little buggy. Because yes, it's small, it's compact, it's light, it's very comfortable, it's very spacious, it's a gas saver. I love it. It just, from a couple of years to now, like, mainly I drive in the, in the city still, right? No, I'm not saying something's gonna happen to me. We just never know, right? But when I see, like, cars and accidents, and something that I've always been thinking is, like, my car is so small, we would get smashed. Like a tortilla. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, my car's so small that, it would be a lot of damage for a car that little to get into an accident. And my concern is the back seat, because the back seat is where Valentina is. And my trunk is like this big, okay? Like, my space in the trunk is very small, and then boom, the seat's there. So that's why sometimes I'm like, oh my god, I love my car, but there's days. The good thing is I don't get on the freeway with it. We rarely ever do, right? We're cautious, but like when it comes to that, that's where I'm just like, oh my god, my car, we would get smashed like a tortilla. Other than that, I love my car and I would have a hard time. That's the car I wanted, see? A Pilot. So I always tell Valentina, Mommy, tell your daddy to buy us a Pilot. Not even a CRV, a Pilot. CRV is too small. We can't carry anything in there. For what we, like when we travel, what we carry. Hi, Luna! Honk at her. Nothing, just so we can let her know we're here. Beep, beep, we're here. So yeah. That is the story behind my car and how sometimes I'll tell Henry like, but it's a Pilot. I don't mind. I would even take like an Accord. Again, for the space because my car is super little.
You got your stuff already?
And yeah. Alright, we're home. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Good.